So guys, I have a general advice for everybody watching this video right now. Whatever video idea you want to do on your YouTube channel, make sure it is something you enjoy doing. Don't start a cooking channel when you know you don't have passion for it. Make sure you have passion for whatever you want to do, because it is that passion that will keep you moving. If you go to YouTube today, you see that a lot of people have abandoned their channel. So don't do something because others are doing it. Do it because you have passion for it. Like what I'm doing, I have passion for it. That is why you see me, I'm still uploading videos. You get? So make sure you have passion for it. That is why you are doing what you are doing. With that, you won't get tired and you will keep producing valuable content. You get? So make sure you have passion for it. That is my general advice for you that is watching this video. Hello everyone, you are welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be talking on 7 YouTube video ideas that can help you in case you are about starting your YouTube channel and you don't know what your YouTube channel should be all about. Worry no more, I am here for you. So all you need to do right now is to sit down, relax. Let's go there. So guys, the first on my list is tutorial or how to videos. Now when I talk about tutorials, I'm talking about you teaching people what you know how to do. For example, you can make hair, you can sew, you can bake, whatever it is that you know how to do. You can create a YouTube channel and start teaching people how to do it. Now when we talk about the how to, like you want to make fried rice, now you be like how to cook fried rice. You know how to make it, now you want to do a certain style, you be like how to make, you get. So that kind of YouTube channel, they grow very fast. You can give it a try. Yes. So number 2 that I'll be talking about today is comedy and entertainment videos. Yes, if you are funny, you can create a YouTube channel and start making people laugh. I know how many comedy channels I have subscribed to, you get, because after a very stressful day, come online and then you laugh now, that kind of thing. So comedy channels are also good. If you are funny, you can make people laugh, you can try it out. But this one is for people that are funny. If you are not funny, this one is not for you. If you are not funny, this one is not for you. You need to be funny. So that is that for that. I don't want this video to be long, so let's just move straight to number 3. Now what is that number 3? Number 3 is storytelling and narrative content. For example, you are a very good storyteller. You can tell stories very well, interesting stories. You can create a YouTube channel and start telling people stories. People will enjoy, because I have seen people write stories and people will read it. You see comments, likes. So imagine you coming to YouTube now and start telling people those stories, or you start narrating stories to them. They will sit down, they will enjoy it. So you have to be a good storyteller before you can start this one. So if you are a good storyteller, this one is for you. This one is for you. So think about it. So guys, for the number 4 YouTube ideas that you can do on your video ideas that you can do on your YouTube channel is vlogs. Yes, I know most people, they be like, what is this vlog all about? Yes, vlog is you taking people through the process when you are doing something or you are achieving something. For example, you are going to the market to buy food stuff. The moment when you are leaving your house on your way, and when you get to the market, when you are purchasing it, that is what they call vlog. You start videoing everything. When you are traveling from your house, the things that you are taking along, everything, you start videoing it. That is what they call vlog. I hope you have seen some videos of people traveling abroad, outside the country. You see them when they are preparing everything they bought, like that. So they start arranging. They show you the process. When they go to the airport, everything they will show you. So that is what vlog is all about. So if you are very good in doing vlog, you know you have the energy, you can go for it. It's also very interesting. People love seeing your, like, you start showing them your day-to-day life, like that. So that is what vlog is all about. So I hope you are already thinking of the one you know you can do. Okay, so guys, let's move straight to number 5, right? Number 5. So guys, for the number 5, I'll be talking about educational and explainers videos. Yes, that is exactly what I am doing. That is what my YouTube channel is all about. You can create a YouTube channel and start educating people on what you know. You start explaining things to people. Most people don't know a lot of things, so you can create a YouTube channel and start teaching them. Most people have questions. I know how many questions I have been asked since I started this YouTube channel. So that is why some videos that you are seeing, I'm using those videos to answer the questions you get. So you can create a YouTube channel and start letting people know what, like, what they don't know. You start making them know it. Start doing videos on important, valuable topics. Start explaining. That one is also a very good YouTube video idea. You can think about it too. So guys, let's go straight to number 6. And what is this number 6 all about? So guys, for number 6, I'll be talking about question and answer channels. You can be doing question and answer videos. Let's also add interview to this one. You can be doing interview. Just call people and let them do interview with, let them interview them, ask them questions, they will answer you. And most times I sit down when people ask questions, will you do this for 50,000? I want to know the other person's response, so I will sit down and I will watch that video to the end. You get? So this one is also a very good YouTube video idea. You can try it out. You can try it out. This one is also very good. Ask people questions like that. Interview people. You can be doing that on your YouTube channel. It's still very okay. You get? So this one is also good. So guys, let's move straight to the last one, number 7. And what is this number 7 all about? It's about live streaming. When we talk about live streaming, I'm talking about you doing live videos, going live on YouTube. There are people like that. They just do live. They do live videos, live videos. That's what they do on their YouTube channel. They do live. So you are cooking, you just go live. People just want to see. The next day you are doing this, you go live, like that. So it helps a lot. If you know you can be doing that, you can also start your YouTube channel and be doing live on your YouTube channel. People will watch you. Just make it interesting. Whatever you are doing, make it interesting. So that is the 7 YouTube video ideas I have for you. I know there are others, but these ones are the ones I have for you. And I hope you have been able to think about the one you can do. Do you get? So guys, and when you go for what you love doing, you will see yourself succeeding in it. That is the key. That is the key to being successful on YouTube. Just enjoy what you are doing. That is all. Enjoy what you are doing. So guys, I want to say a very big thank you to you for watching my videos. If you watch this video to the end, thumbs up for you. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed, and like this video. You can also help me share this video too. It will mean a lot to me. Thank you so much guys. I appreciate you all. See you next time, same station. Bye.